Good morning, students. Welcome back. Myself, Ukraja Rahul, and today we are learning about the surface area and volume that is related to the cylinder. Okay. So, students, as per the previous session, we have learnt about the surface area and volume of the cube and cuboid. Okay. Now we have to learn about the surface area and volume that is related to the cylinder. Okay, so let's start about the cylinder, and today's topic is surface area and volume of the cylinder. Okay, surface area and volume that is related to the cylinder. For the cylinder, what is the shape of the cylinder? Shape of cylinder is like this. Okay, this is a cylinder. Now in the cylinder there is a radius for the uppermost part and lowermost part are always equal. Okay, radius for the uppermost part and lowermost part is always equal. Okay, and we have to take height from the top of the circle to the bottom of the circle. We have to take as a height of the cylinder. Okay, so as per the cylinder, my total surface area of cylinder is that formula is 2 pi r h plus r, 2 pi r h plus r, and lateral surface area or curve surface area CSA of cylinder, that is my 2 pi rh. Now here students, we have to take lateral surface area of curve surface area of cylinder as only and only as a part of this curve surfaces. Okay, only and only part of this curve surfaces, not including top and not including bottom. Okay, we are not including top and bottom in the lateral surface area or curve surface area of the cylinder. Okay, these cylinders are hollow cylinder from both sides. This is a hollow cylinder from the both side. Or you have to take open cylinder from both side, or you have to take open. Okay, not a hollow. We have to write open, not a hollow. Open cylinder from both side. Okay, that's open from the both side. Now in the total surface area, we are taking about the lateral surface area of cuboid, lateral surface area of cylinder, as well as top of the cylinder plus bottom of the cylinder. We are taking in the total surface area, we are to taking curve surface area of cylinder plus area of top that are in the circular part plus area of bottom that is also in circular part. So as per the curve surface area of my cylinder, that is my 2 pi rh plus area of top that is in the circle. So what is the area of the circle? That is pi r square plus area of bottom that is also pi r square. So therefore 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square, that is pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. Now we have to take 2 pi r as a common. So here is a h and here is a r remain. So therefore my total surface area is 2 pi r h plus r. Okay, therefore my formula of the total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h plus r. Clear, students? And volume of the cylinder, that is volume of cylinder, that is my pi r square h, that is my pi r square h. Okay, so please note down these formulas that is related to the cylinder. Okay, please note down fast. Please note down these formulas as soon as fast. So now we have to move for the some questions that is related to the cylinder. Okay, so now from today or next lectures we are moving to find surface area, total surface area, lateral surface area and volume of the cylinder for the next 2 sessions. Okay. Here is a kind of question, that is the curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height is 14 centimeter. In first question, that is already given that curved surface area of cylinder is already given in first of the question, that is 88 centimeter square, and also height of the cylinder is given, that is h equal to 14 centimeter. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Find the diameter of the cylinder. Okay, whenever you have to find diameter, you must to know about the radius of the cylinder. Okay, if you have to radius, then you have to convert them in diameter. Otherwise you don't know that what is the diameter of the cylinder. Okay, so as per the CSA of the cylinder are given, I will take that CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. Okay, we are always taking value of pi as 22/7. Okay, whenever it says in the question that is take value of pi as a 3.14, then after we have to take value of the pi as a 3.14. Otherwise we are always taking value of the pi as a 22/7. Okay, now curved surface area of cylinder, that is 88 equal to 2 into value of the pi, that is 22/7, into radius are not given and height are also given, that is 14. Now we have to cancel out 7 2s are 14, so 88 into 22 2s are 44, 44 2s are 88 into r. Now 88 shifted to the second side to divide by 88. Okay, so my radius of the cylinder is 1 centimeter. Therefore my diameter is 2 times the radius. Therefore 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeter. Okay, clear that? Now moving on the next question. Now moving on the next question, that is cross surface area of the right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square. Now again CSA is given. Cross surface area of cylinder is given, that is CSA of cylinder is equal to 4.4 meters square. The radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter. Now radius is given, that is 0.7 meter. In the last question that you have to given that in last question that is given that height of the cylinder is 14 centimeter. Okay. Now in this question, that is radius is given, that is 0.7 meter, and last question you have to find the radius of the cylinder. Now in this question you have to find height of the cylinder. Okay, find height of the cylinder. Okay, so as per the previous question you have to solve. Okay, as per the previous question we are solving same as previous, that is CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Now CSA of cylinder, that is 4.4 is equal to 2, take pi as a 22/7, and radius is given, that is 0.7. Radius is given, that is 0.7 meter. So I will take 7/10. Okay, and now find the height of the cylinder. 7 are cancel out. Now 10 shifted to the second side, that is multiplied with the 4.4, that is 44 into 10, and 2 and 22 are in multiplication, so it's shifted to the second side, that are divided by the 44 and 10, that is 2 into 22. Now I'll remove the point of the 4.4 from here, so I'll multiply 10 in the denominator equal to h. Okay, so 10 are cancel out, 22 2s are 44, and 2 cancel out. Therefore my height of the cylinder, that is 1 meter. Okay, my height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Clear? Clear, students? Okay, now we are moving for the next question. Next question is that in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter. Okay, there is a length of the cylindrical pipe is 28 meter. So I'll take height as a 28. Height of cylinder, that is 28 meter. Okay. Now, and diameter is 5 centimeter. And diameter is 5 centimeter. Here the diameter is given in the centimeter, that is 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. We have to find the total surface area, that is find total radiating surface in the system. So it says that find the total surface area of the cylinder. So TS of cylinder, that is 2 pi r plus h. Therefore now I'll take, if diameter is 5 centimeter, so I'll take radius, that is radius equal to diameter divided by 2, that is 5 by 2. I'll take 5 by 2, and now I'll multiply 28 meter into the centimeter. That is easy to me to convert from the centimeter to meter. Okay, so I'll convert meter to centimeter, that is 28 into 100, that is 2800 centimeter. Now I'll take 2 into pi, that is 22 by 7, into r, radius is 5 by 2. Now 5 by 2 plus height is 2800. So 2 are cancel out, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 110 by 7 into 28 2s are 56. Sorry students, here is our mistake. We have to take curved surface area of cylinder, because it says that it has to radiating the surface. So whenever it has to radiating the surface, we must to find the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so my curved surface area of cylinder, that is CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7 into my radius is 5 by 2 into 2800 is my height. So 7 4s are 28, 400, 2 I cancel out. So now 5 4s are 20, 22 into 20 means that 2000. Now 22 2s are 44,000 centimeter square. Okay, your total radiating surface is 44,000 centimeter square. Total radiating surface is 44,000 centimeter square. Now move on the next question. Now we are moving on the next question. So that's my question is, it is required to make a closed cylinder tank of height 1 meter. Height is 1 meter are given. Height of the cylinder is 1 meter. And base diameter is 140 centimeter. Base diameter, that is diameter equal to 140 centimeter. From a metal sheet, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Here is in the question that already told that is required to make a closed cylindrical cylinder. Whenever we have to find the closed cylindrical tank, okay, whenever we have to find for the closed cylindrical tank, we must to require the find total surface area. Okay, now how many square meters of the sheet required for the same? That asks us that how many meter square of the sheet are required to make a tank. Okay, so for that we have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. Now total surface area of cylinder, that is my 2 pi r plus h. 2 into pi is 22/7 into r. Now here is given that is diameter. Now first of all convert it into the radius. So radius is equal to 140/2, that is my 70 centimeter. And now I will convert height to the height, that is 1 meter, to the centimeter, that is 100 centimeter. Now I will take radius, that is as a 70, and radius 70 plus height is 100. So therefore 7 tens are 70, 22 twos are 44, 440 into 170, that is 440 into 170, that is 44 into 17, 448, 28 plus 2, 30. That is my 748 and 2 zeros centimeter square. Okay, my sheet is required as a 748, that is my like 74,800 centimeter square. Okay, I have to require the sheet, that is that's area is 74,800 centimeter square. In the question that asks us the how many square meters, that asks us the question that is how many meters square. In the question that asks in the meter square, so I'll got the answer in the centimeter square. So now the convert centimeter square to the meter square by dividing 10,000 to that. So dividing by 10,000, my answer is 7.48 meter square. In the question that clearly say that find the area in the meter square, that's why we have to convert it into the meter square, otherwise your answer is correct. Okay, and last question we have to move for that for today's session, that is a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter. Okay, cylinder is 50 centimeter in diameter, that is 50 centimeter, diameter is 50 centimeter, and 3.5 meter in a height, and their height is 3.5 meter. Find the cost of painting the cross surface area of the pillar. So it has to paint their cross surface area of cylinder, and they ask us the how much cost for their paint cross surface area. At the rate is also given at the rate of 12.50 rupees per meter square. Okay, here that my cost is given in the meter square, so I must to the find area in the meter square. Okay, I must to find the area in the meter square. So for that, let's start to find cross surface area, because it has to paint in their cross surface area. Okay, so my cross surface area, that is cross surface area of cylinder, that is my 2 pi RH. Therefore 2 into pi, that is 22/7, into radius. Here is a diameter is 50 centimeter, so I will take radius as a diameter divided by 2, that is radius is equal to diameter by 2, that is 50/2, that is 25 centimeter. Okay, now I have to convert 25 centimeter to the meter, so another time I will divide by that 100. Okay, another time I will divide by them at 100. So my answer is 0.25. So I'll take as it is as a 25 by 100. Okay. We have to write as 0.25. That's also correct. You have to write that 25 by 100. That's also correct. And if you want to write that is 1 by 4, that is also correct. Okay. I'm just telling you that I'll convert it into the meter. Okay. I'll convert it into the meter. Now height is 3.5 meters. So removing the point, I'll divide that with the 10. Now take cancel out. 7 1 za, 7 5 za, 25 1 za, 25 4 za, 2 1 za, 2 2 za, 2 1 za, 2 11 za. Okay, and 5 1 za and 5 2 za. So my answer is 11 by 2. That is my 11 by 2 meters square. That is my 5.5 meters square. My area is 5.5 meters square. Okay. Now I have to find the rate or rupees for them. So I'll multiply rate to the 5.5 to get the answer in the rupees. Okay. So now for the rate, that is for the 1 meter square, that is 12.50 rupees are given. Now for the 5.5 meter square, how much rupees for that? Okay, so 5.5 into 12.50, I'll take point from them. So therefore 55 by 10 into 12.1250 by 100. 0 0 are cancel out, 0 0 are. Okay. Now that is my 125 into 55 divided by 100. 25 5s are 125, 25 4s are 100. I'm not cancel out this. I'm just multiplying the number and taking point by 100. I'm not dividing, cutting them. Okay, that's difficult. So therefore 125 into 55 by 100. Now just multiply 125 to the 55. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. That is my 5 plus 2 7, 6 plus 2 8, 6. 6875. That is my 6875 by 100. So therefore my answer is 68 rupees 0.75 paisa. That is my 68.75 rupees for the cost of the painting. Okay students, so my cost of painting is 68.75 rupees. Clear one? Okay, all of these students please clear. Please note down all of these sums, all of 3 sums here that I'll teach you. Please copy fast, then after we have to complete this session. Students, I hope you have to understand all these things that I'll teach you in today's session for the curved surface area and total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, for more example we are moving on next session for more example related to the curved surface area, total surface area and also volume of the cylinder. Okay students, clear? Now I hope you have to understand all these things. So students, till then, goodbye and stay blessed.